Hello guys, welcome to Mechanical Guruji YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to make the working model of V8 engine. V8 engines are mostly used for heavy duty works. It is used in cars, trucks, aeroplanes, ships and for power generation in many industries. So let's start to make the engine. First of all, let's print the engine block. Our engine block is ready. See how beautiful the design of the block is looking. Now let's print the crankshaft. We have successfully printed the crankshaft. I have already printed the piston head. A total of 8 numbers of piston head will be required. I have also printed 8 numbers of connecting shaft. Now let's begin to assemble the engine parts. First I have taken the engine block and I have applied some grease over which the crankshaft will rotate. Now let's fix the crankshaft inside the engine block. Now let's fix the crankshaft so that during rotation the crankshaft should not come out. Just break my heart. We have successfully installed the crankshaft. Now let's install the piston and the connecting shaft. Just break my heart. We have successfully installed all the parts of a V8 engine. Now let's test how it will work.
Just break my heart.
Thank you for watching my video. If you love my video, please like it and subscribe my channel.